Hey there, and welcome back to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. This evening we're going to do some chicken on our Weber grill. So I'll show you how we set this thing up to get it just right, and then I'll show you how we season our chicken. Alright, now that we've got this grill lit, we're going to go inside and season some chicken while this gets ready. So we got these 2 packs of chicken on sale at Ingles. They had them for $1.98 a pound. So we picked up 2 packs, and it looks like it's got 4 breasts in it. And I know that sounds like a lot of chicken, but for 2 people, but we're gonna cook it all tonight while we got the grill going. And then we'll have enough chicken for supper tonight. We'll make some chicken salad to have for lunches next week, and we might do some chicken fajitas one night or something like that. So as it turns out, we had a total of 5 breasts, 2 big ones in one and 3 smaller ones in another. Got all that for right at $10. So now I'm going to use my favorite seasoning, which is the garlic pepper. I'm just going to use it on all of them because when it cooks up, this seasoning goes with anything and everything. Okay, now our chicken is prepped. That's all there is to it. So what we'll do now is just wait on the grill to get ready. As far as us trying to stretch a dollar and have meals on a budget, tonight we're going to do some of this creamy chicken rice. We love this stuff. Well, it's looking good. In probably about 10 minutes we'll be ready to get the grate on, the lid on, and get it up to temp to get ready for the chicken. Alright, this charcoal's ready. We're going to get this temp up between 350 and 400, and I'll show you how we do it. On this Weber grill here, you can open and close the bottom vents, but we just leave it wide open. So we adjust our temperature here with this top vent, and so we are already at 400 degrees. So I'm going to kind of shut it down about 3/4 of the way. Let's go get some chicken. Okay, the chicken's on, so I'll be back out in about 15 minutes to check it. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and the temperature is holding steady right about 360. So I'm going to open up this just a little bit more because we really want it to be at 375. All right, now let's see where we're at on the chicken. Oh, that's looking good. 15 more minutes. It's been another 15 minutes, so we're gonna check this. Oh, looking nice. We'll give it another 15 minutes. All right, let's check this chicken and flip it over. Probably another 15 minutes we'll be out here to check it again. All right, I'm going to check this chicken. I think it's probably about time to take it up. I think that looks pretty good. What you think?
Yep. Looks great.
Looks delicious, smells delicious. Can't wait to eat. Okay, so that is going to be it for today. Our grilled chicken on our Weber grill. So we'll have this for supper tonight, and then we'll probably be eating on this for 2 or 3 days. We're going to have some rice tonight with a roll with it, and then we'll be doing some other things with it for supper the next 2 or 3 nights. So hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time with Living Life with Jerry and Mel.